What's up and good evening, guys. Welcome back to another video. You're probably saying, Rhino, you're wearing that same Rhino shirt you were wearing. You're wearing the same pants that you were wearing in the last video. Or maybe you didn't watch the last video and you're not saying that at all, but this is a continuation of that day, obviously. Check my closet here and see if I've got any spare clothes over at the warehouse. We might be screwed. I'm gonna just swap my shirt and we're staying in the old dirty, stained pants. But tonight we're gonna be heading over to the street drags, which is basically a run what you brung kind of ordeal. Wes is already out there. We got Black Dahlia, Mr. Clean 66, Stanson Rich, Steiner, pretty much the whole crew, Fern, everybody. Chris is here already. We're going to roll out together in the BBB, and it should be a good time. I've actually never been to this event, so we're going to find out what it's like. So we got Chris taking his truck. Oh, all right, he's getting a little warmed up there. Main reason being is Wes actually is putting all stock tires on his truck, which is going to be an interesting look. That way he's not being robbed of horsepower from his big wheel and tire combo there. So he's basically taking spare tires off all the 1500s. He currently has 3. I don't know, he's either going to use Chris's or Fern's, we're not really sure yet. And I just somehow, in the process of changing my shirt out of my old work shirt today to a new work for it shirt, lost my sunglasses, which sucks. This is the worst time of the day to be driving right now. Luckily, I think I got a spare. Oh, yep, we're good. We got a spare up here. Probably all scratched up, but better than nothing. So we're making a quick pit stop over here at the old 76, waiting for Fern to show up. So apparently to get in where all the boys are, you got to tell them you're bringing parts. So hopefully, I still got, yep, all right, good. I'm gonna tell them I'm bringing a CV axle for somebody that's racing. They don't need to know that one's broken. And then hopefully we can park in the pits with everybody else. We already got Zach out there, a bunch of people are out there. I need to see that way.
I need to see that way.
Well, move your truck so I can see that way. No, you know what?
I told you I'm trying to get shit out of here.
I'm taller, I can see over you. I don't need you anyway.
You got a bigger wiener.
You got a bigger wiener? Congratulations, man.
Thanks.
No wonder your truck's sagging on that side. A lot of weight. Yeah. All right, we're good. All right, we see Fern. We got EcoBoost 619. All right, so the sun really sucks right now, but we've arrived at the track. I had no clue how far this place was. We got everybody getting set up over here. All right, let's see if our plan works here.
What's going on?
Hey, I gotta drop off an axle to a buddy.
Okay.
Which way do I go for that?
Let me see. Are you sticking around? Or,
Yeah, I'll probably stick around.
Okay, let me see. Well, if you're sticking around, you can go right that way. That's the spectating gate.
Okay.
Once you get in there, you can kind of, walk around wherever you want.
Gotcha. All right, our plan didn't really work, guys. Our plan didn't really work. Looks like it's popping over here. I actually just saw Bryant. You can barely see his truck right there. I think Bryant just got his truck back from getting worked on as well. Dude, we are like, they're legit putting us out in the boonies for parking over here. All right, we'll just follow this dirt road. Let's see. Oh, I see Bryant's truck right there. Bryant must be getting teched in. Now the good news is I legitimately just jumped out of my truck and somehow my good pair of glasses like fell out with me. What's up, dude? We're not racing this thing?
What's going on, right?
We're not racing this thing?
Nah, I got a turbo leak.
Oh, jeez. What's up, Fernando?
Good thing we got a lift in here, man.
Yeah, they're throwing us out in the boonies, bro. And we got our good buddy, Zachariah. Looking great, man. Beard's looking great. Everything good in life?
Hey, mate,
Where you been?
Oh, yep. Of course. It was Zach's birthday the other day. Everybody wish Zach could have a birthday. You're going to get all kinds of comments. There you go.
Big
Celebrate.
30, big 30.
All right, I guess Fern got you something.
I got you.
Why is it making noise?
It's still alive in there.
are
I got
you,
you a couple things.
48?
Ish.
I was younger than you until Wednesday.
I got you some stuff. I understand you're trying to get in barbecuing, and you helped me a lot with the truck and getting everything set up and accepting with the crew. So I'm accepting you into the barbecue field. Your first tomahawk.
Woo!
We're not done yet.
Okay.
All right. You can't cook a tomahawk without some
Fire up the grill, boys.
seasonings. This is what I compete in. Do a lot of cooking without some top of the line equipment.
Dang, no way.
Yeah, man. So this is what the pros use.
Yeah,
very
I was
tight.
looking at it.
what we use, right?
Yeah, that's what we use.
I didn't.
I got the truck built that brought the cooler.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, that's true.
Shout out to what was it? Forward Parts.
Forward Parts, shout out to Forward Parts, yeah.
And then I brought you some cones.
Hey, thanks, buddy. Dang, we got some rally cars going on.
That's what beat Wes.
It is?
That's Subi.
Look at this guy. Look at this tough guy. Look at this tough guy. Dang, son. Oh, what's up, buddy? I heard you're over here stomping it down. What are you up, like 10 racks right now? You up 10 racks?
Yeah, right.
Ooh, you got a little sun today at work, buddy.
Ooh, dude, I've been working today.
How's it going, man?
Truck's slow. I think it's the weather. It's real hot.
Brian's about to go. I seen Brian in line right there.
Christian's out there too.
Christian's out there?
Yeah. Brian's in big trouble right now. He's in the doghouse. Basically, he just picked his truck up from the shop about 3 hours ago, and he's already putting it onto the track, and his wife's pretty fucking mad right now. But you know, he wears the pants, so
yeah, yeah. That F-150 quick. Seven? What's he got done to it? Do you know?
It's tuned. It's probably got bigger turbos on it. He's got a huge intercooler in front. Those things on like an E85 tune make almost 500 at the wheel.
This guy ran the same time as you. I mean, he's running smaller tires. Zach, you should have run your truck against him, dude.
Oh, he's missing the
Honestly, it would be either me or him braking for sure.
Need some weight in the back of that thing. All right, so we got Bryant in his freshly cammed truck. We got Black Dahlia. Bryant's running stock rears.
No, those are 35.
Are they 35s? All right, he's running 35s in the rear.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Brian's wife's right there. She's pissed.
Brian, move on! Brian! He's still sitting there.
He's gonna go too far. Slow it down. Breathe. Too far.
There, now they're gonna miss it. He's in it.
That was a close race. Let's see. Brian got a 10.3. I'm not sure what Dolly's doing.
Get the video! Oh, he's sideways.
Oh! Oh!
He's wrecking work for it already. Yeah, he was gonna.
The kid can't go because he's got fucking rubber on the contact pad.
You know the worst part about it? Bryant's raced at 4 different tracks now. He still doesn't know how to ski.
He just paid $40 to do a burnout.
Yeah, you spent $40 to get a burnout.
I'm pretty sure the wife said you break it. I'm divorcing you. She just did a burnout all the way down the side.
Done.
Now they're repairing the track from Dolly over here. This poor kid and his little mini dragster, they just got to pull it out right now.
What a fucking asshole, man. And his wife told him not to do it either, not to race.
They're stopping him. Like, you gotta go, bro.
Did they stop
Yeah.
him?
All right, we gotta hear from his mouth. Christian, what the hell was that, dude? Uh-oh. What happened?
I have no idea, man.
What do you mean you have no idea?
I was spinning all the way down. I fucking lost total control. I got sideways, man. I was scared shit. I was like, I'm gonna hit the fucking wall.
Green lights add like 2,000 horsepower to this bad boy.
I'm gonna go again though. I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna run
They
again.
didn't kick you out?
No. No. Because the dude, so for his lane, he got the green light. So the dude told me to, before he got the green light, the dude told me to back up. And I was like, okay, what do I need to back up? So I backed up. And then he told me, hey, top 2 lights, when the lights go off, you'll get your green. I never got my green. So I was like, okay, well, he's like, just go. I was like, okay. And I just went, yeah. And I guess I Rich said I had a fat burnout.
Yeah, nobody at the line was very happy with you right there. Who are we running your truck, dude?
Hey, wife said no today.
So did every other wife, but they're still doing it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But you know, my wife's a little more strict. I would have raced Bryant today.
Oh, you can stare at me all you want. You can stare at me all you want. What?
When you want to pay to fix broken things,
I'll pay the $30 or whatever it is for him to race.
No. When you want to pay
Hey, that's
when
a fair
something
deal,
breaks,
dude.
That's a fair deal.
When you want to pay.
Me and Bryant already raced
broken.
today on the freeway, so I mean, at least I got some
I
racing
just
in.
don't want things to go sideways.
How you feel about Bryant?
So he promised me a baby. That's the only reason why he's racing.
Congratulations, Dad! I just heard you promised her a baby to be able to race. That's commitment. That is commitment.
She said if I break anything.
Can we name him Rhino? How's the new truck? I mean, tell us what you did to it, dude.
I put in it's a custom ground cam. Then I did the DOD delete. So
Finally, the fourth time.
Third time.
Third time.
When it's cold, you can definitely tell.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I hear some chop in there.
Yeah.
This is the haul of really nice wheels and tires. Everybody's taking off to run their trucks. Hey, you want to have a certified mechanic do that instead of Stanson Rich? Right here, pick a tire. There's a whole pile of them over there to pee on. Dang, dude, we got a little bit of rubber up in here from that burnout slash foot slip or whatever you want to call it. Let's go. Hey, we got 2 G's cash on my man here.
You guys hung with Beal Racing at the NHRA?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my dad's team.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Oh
Badass,
shit,
dude.
What do you have done to this?
It's literally stock, just a muffler delete.
But he knows how to race and stage and not. He knows now how to not make an embarrassment out of all of us.
Every race I've done, I've gotten the best reaction. I've jumped everyone, but it's just not fast. So I get everyone off the line, but I never win.
All right, let's go.
All right, Brian's gonna line up with him. Turn your rock lights on, dude. You need the extra horsepower.
I think my ground is a little short right now. Might have to fix it.
All right, we got Brian's race up here. Oh, we got no burnout. He big time. Got him. Brian got him.
70. Supposedly big 787.
Whoa, all right.
Drive, so I don't know why.
It's all-wheel drive? Oh, yep. Staging issues. That GTR moves. All right, 4 hours of waiting later, we finally get to see Wes race. Too far. Now he hooked up.
That thing runs a 650, bro.
All right, y'all. Well, man, it is packed out here. It takes so long to get one of our boys up in a race. But and to everybody asking, Rhino, why aren't you racing? Well, if you watched the previous video to today, you'll see that Wes was working with me today, and he actually left work at 3 o'clock to come tech for the race today or tonight. I don't know if you necessarily have to get there that early, but that was the impression I was under, and there's just no way I could leave work. I actually wanted to run my truck today because it seems like it's just like low pressure. You see a lot of people don't know how to launch, how to do whatever, so I ain't too concerned. I know this truck is slow, but I figured I would run it. So maybe next time, maybe next time. But with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn.